Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your crypto wallet onto the Spendee budget planning application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee budget planning application on your device and then enter your passcode if you have one, or use your email address and your password to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the timeline page. Now to add your crypto account, you can tap on the wallets option and then click on add a crypto wallet as well, or you can tap on more at the bottom right corner, and from here you can also choose the crypto wallets option. When you click on this, you can then find the add new crypto wallet option. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be prompted to subscribe for a premium plan. You can tap on the see all plans option in order to look at the various different plans that are available. After choosing the appropriate one, you may proceed forward by simply tapping on it, or you can tap on the Start Now for Free option to get a 7-day free trial. Once you have your premium subscription, you will be able to use your credentials by choosing your crypto wallet, and your crypto wallet will be linked with your account right away. After this, all of the transactions that you make from your crypto wallet will automatically appear within your timeline. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your crypto wallet onto the Spendee budget planning application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.